Hello, in front of me I've got NUKI Lock Pro. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with smartphone app. In the beginning, let's go to Play Store or App Store and download and install NUKI Smart Lock. Make sure that your device is charged or connected to charger. Open the app, agree, and set up device. Select Smart Lock. Enter your name. Enable location access. Enable notifications or skip. And now hold down the button on your NUKI Smart Lock for at least 5 seconds. Tap Next. Now we have to wait until the firmware update is finished. Tap Done. Choose name for your smart lock. Set location. Now select what door handle is on the outside of the door. Enter security code. And now let's start the calibration. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.